Welcome to Green Corner AU, your go-to space for all things urban gardening and small backyard magic. Here, we show you how to turn even the tiniest balcony, patio, or backyard into a lush, thriving green oasis. Today we introduced a new plant, firecracker plants. Firecracker plants, also known as Russelia equisetiformis, are popular for their vibrant red or orange tubular flowers and trailing growth habit. They thrive in warm, sunny conditions and prefer well-draining soil. Growing and care. Light. Firecracker plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. While they can tolerate partial shade, they may not flower as profusely in lower light conditions. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. They are drought-tolerant once established, so you can allow the top inch or two of soil to dry out between waterings. Soil. They prefer well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. You can amend your soil with grit or perlite to improve drainage. Fertilizing. Firecracker plants are heavy feeders, so they benefit from regular fertilization. Apply a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 weeks during spring and fall, diluted by half. Pruning. Prune after flowering to encourage new growth and more blooms. Propagation. You can easily propagate firecracker plants from stem cuttings. Climate. They are best suited for warm, frost-free climates. Pests and diseases. Firecracker plants are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, aphids and mealy bugs can sometimes be a problem. Uses. They are often used as cascading ground cover, in hanging baskets, or trained on trellises. Other important considerations. Toxicity. Firecracker plants are not toxic to humans or pets. Hummingbirds. The tubular flowers are attractive to hummingbirds. Winter care. In colder climates, you may need to bring them indoors during the winter. Please like, share and subscribe to have updates.